Facebook account is disabled because you have a debt, and you get to answer, how to clear your debt. So on this screen right now, we have something like account disabled, we couldn't process your payment, pay the amount due to run as again. So on this current balance, we have 427 naira here, and also in the payment methods we have 3 cards here. So let's click on pay now. Let's click on pay now, and we have the amount here, which is 427 naira. Okay, so I'm going to select the card, do you understand, that I want to use. Then I'm going to click on pay now, and I'm going to hit pay now. So let's check if this payment is going to be successful, if we are actually going to make our payment right now. So let's check it out. Boom, the payment was successful. Even if you listen to my phone right here, you're going to see something like a kind of beep. You can see right now that thing has disappeared.